Hi friends, and welcome to my channel Lotus Geek. In this video, we are going to fix out your App Store error. This app will not work on your device, especially with Amazon App Store. So let's go ahead and fix out the issue. The first method is to open your store menu. In Microsoft Store, click on the library option, and if updates are available, click on the update all option to update your all the applications including Microsoft Store. Then try to install the app. If it is still giving you the error, next thing you can do is to open your settings menu, click on apps, and here click on optional features. Here scroll down and click on more Windows features. Here you need to find a feature with the name Hyper-V. Tick mark this icon and hit the OK button. Once it is installed, it is asking to reboot the system. Make sure you restart your system right now. Once it is installed, go ahead and try to install the Amazon App Store again. Now if this also doesn't work out, you can do is to manually install Amazon App Store. For that, open your web browser and open this particular website. I'll share the link in the description below. You need to copy this website link and head over to the particular website which is Store AdGuard. Here you need to paste the link as it is and then click on the tick mark icon to get the link of the App Store. Scroll down and here you will find a file of 2.2 MB with .msix bundle extension. You need to right click on it and choose the option save link as and save it in your desktop. If it is saying it is not secure, click on this icon and choose the option keep, as the links are totally from the Microsoft server. Once it is downloaded, go ahead and run the program and hit the icon install to install Amazon App Store in your Windows PC. This is how the App Store will open. Now if you are facing the compatibility issues due to the region, you can do is first of all install this Windows subsystem for Android using this particular tutorial, whose link I'll share you in the description of this video. Once you install subsystem for Android in your Windows PC, after that go ahead and follow step number 3, which is getting this Amazon App Store link and then downloading and then install the downloaded part in your system. After that, restart your system and this time you will able to launch and download your Amazon App Store in your Windows PC. So this is all about it, friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon to continue receiving more such updates from my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for watching.